Hey friends, this is Mrs. Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and this is hashtag The Good, the Bad, the Ugly 2021. Yes, I've been challenged to do the good, the bad, the ugly of gardening for 2021. So here we go. Papa's whippersnipping later today, so that's ugly, but it's only temporary. Banana peppers and herb garden, and even now my little pickling cucumbers. It's all good. I have 5 beets. I'm not going to say that's bad because I do have beets, but I just put a row of dill in here for because my pickles are starting. Again, don't worry about the weeds. Papa's going to look after them. The good. These tomato plants, these are these, I don't know how Papa missed that one. These are those Manitoba tomatoes, and these are amazing. This is July, and we're already eating fresh tomatoes, eh, dear? Here, I'll let you take that in the house. These are the Brandywines, and they're not doing that great. But these, look at these Manitoba tomatoes, guys. Look at them. They just keep coming. And they're beautiful. They're not just good, they're excellent. If you live in Canada and you have a short growing climate, buy yourself some Manitoba tomato seeds. Start them. They come out real quick, real early. We're already eating fresh tomatoes. I'm gonna have to send Howie out to pick up the last of the black currants. Zoom in, Gracie! You stay on the property, Grace. Bad year for pears this year. I've only got about 4 or 5, and they're already starting to fall before they're even ripe. Because we had a cold snap while they were in bloom. Garlic. Bad. I planted them too much in the sun. Onions and leeks. Not very pretty, so we'll call them ugly. Beans. I'm not touching them. I don't want to walk amongst them because we had rain and they're wet. But I will be picking beans tomorrow. That's ugly. Why? Because I didn't know they were pole beans. But that's okay. I got some... What are you? Oh. Got some things chewing on the leaves of my rutabagas, but that's not stopping them from growing. So they're good. This is my parsnip bed. And despite 2 packages of parsnip seeds, I only have 3 parsnips. Bad. Every one of those zucchini leaves you see is bigger than my dinner plates. I don't want to walk amongst the beans, but I have to just slip through here. Celery. Awesomely good. Watermelon. I'm getting flowers, and as soon as I see any fruit, I will be trimming these back. I should have only kept 1 plant, but they're doing great. Look at the kale. Good. I'll be harvesting this soon. Spinach. Hey, not so much, but I got like 3 spinach plants in there. So that's bad. Here is ugly, because we had a storm last night, and look at my pepper plants. Ugh, they're just all falling down. But good for peppers. Oh, come on, darling. Hang on a second. These little baby gates I keep in the yard for just such things like, I just put this up to stop the watermelon from going much farther. And I just put one here. And once I got the one plant, that one plant standing up against the gate, the rest all just kind of fell in line as I stood them up. Let's hope we don't get any more heavy wind. It's the good, the bad, and the ugly of my garden 2021. Hashtag the good, the bad, and the ugly 2021. I challenge all you gardeners to make and post a video like this. Mwah! Take care. God bless.